Fl from any house cleaning, and they are hiring me to do this vacation home. This house, it was clean previously, but another housekeeper, I guess, because I don't think that a cleaning company will do this kind of job. The owner of the house had to come in person to see the complaints that the guests did. The guests did a really good complaint about some mold on the corners. The thing is that a regular housekeeper, they don't clean good. It's not that they don't clean good, okay? Let me rephrase this. They clean depending on how much money the person is willing to pay. So if you want to pay $40, $50, $60, 70 for one house of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom vacation home once a week, they are gonna do a sloppy job. Juan Carlos right now is putting some paper towels on the edges of the tub, and after that he's gonna put the mildew cleaner, or called like Clorox, and the paper towel will moisture the surface, and the chlorine is gonna stick on the paper, and for more time the chlorine is gonna stick on the surface, and maybe we can remove those stains. You will see that it's black, and sometimes it's not black, it's holes, so they have to recook again. The toilet has some calcium. If you see in the corner, you can see some calcium deposits. I already put our cleaning product to let it sit on all the edges of this sink and remove all the calcium rim. I'm gonna pause and make another video for the other shower and try to do the same technique and try to remove as much as we could the mold that is on the other shower. And let me pause it. Okay, here we go. If you look around, you will see, or you will think, that this bathroom is clean. However, it's not. You can see right away the calcium that is on the sink right here is really bad, and I understand why the guests complain. I completely understand. Let's see if that's dusty. The shower looks dull. You cannot see it from a video, but let me try to move my camera so you will know what I'm talking about. Of course that there is some surface that you cannot remove, but this, of course, that you can clean it. The floor in this master bathroom is black. Maybe we cannot remove it because it's inside the caulking. The caulking is old. I'm gonna suggest the owner of this house to remove caulking and put it again. However, we're gonna try to do our best. You can see some soap scums. So just try to do our best so the guests won't complain again and they don't put a bad review. The mirror, it was really bad. Do you see? Yeah, they wipe it with water, but they didn't dry it properly. So things like that. Okay, so let me continue filming Beautiful house, however, there is some dust, high cobwebs right there. Things that guests complain, of course. Check this out. This is not the correct way to rent a house. Yeah. So really, really bad. Okay, Juan Carlos is cleaning the toilet with our pumice stone. And this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Thank you.